How to fix common error in Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix common error in Snapchat. To fix common error in Snapchat, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, what you could actually do is try checking your internet connection. So what you need to do is you want to long press the internet, and then you could either go ahead and restart your router or maybe reconnect to a Wi-Fi or any sort of cellular data that you're connected to, and at the same time restart your modem or a router. That should also be able to fix. Next, what you also want to do is if the issue still persists on, you simply want to make sure to open the Play Store or an App Store. On the search bar, type in Snapchat, and you want to make sure to go ahead and update the app to the latest version. That might also be able to fix. If the issue still persists on, then what here you need to do is next, you could actually go ahead and open up settings on your device, and then you want to make sure to go ahead and look for the app section, locate Snapchat from the list, click on storage and cache. So click on clear cache. That should be able to fix as well. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, try reinstalling your Snapchat and then restarting your device at the same time. That should definitely help you out. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.